So you're changing out the seals right now?
Well, I'm just taking the fork off.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I've been with some friends planning a big trip to the land.
So what's the reason for capturing that sign?
Oh, they got two different fluid quantities for a Fit 4 and a Grip 2. And this is a Fit Grip 2. So if you measure it when it comes out, that way it kind of tells you which one it is on this one.
Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. That was good.
The good thing is you're not feeling.
That's got to be, I might have lost a little bit.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Got all sorts of-
James got these measuring things. That's free one in their box. You know,
Somewhere.
just
Let's see. 26.
yeah.
I thought he had like a special tool for that.
Pro. One.
Opening up the air chamber.
Oh, it's gonna go whoosh.
No, I'd already let the air out.
Oh.
You wouldn't want to undo that if you had pressure on it. See, it's got some volume displacers.
Ooh. Skip in there. This is a Lego.
Any fluid in,
Isn't that cool?
any fluid in there.
Doing science projects back here.
Not right here.
Don't put much in there at all.
This is on top of the air piston.
It's like hardly anything. The cap on. So why would you want to do this every now and then? As far as this is called a quick service, but it actually takes probably over an hour, right? Well, I mean, so far. But what happens if you don't get this done every so often?
Fork doesn't perform as well, and your bearings in there, your bushings will wear quicker. You know, it's like changing the oil in your car.
So will you scratch up your legs and stuff like that?
I mean, it could. I mean, if in other words, this just good fresh oil is more lubrous. You know.
He said all oil breaks down over a period of time.
Yeah.
All right, he's almost got it back to normal.
Together.
Yeah. Gotta put all the doodads back on there.
It's a cable holder. You know, brake hose.
That's what I call
Put
it.
the doodad back on it.
You gotta get it right.
Yeah.
It is a doodad because your dad is doing that.
Oh, man. Putting the through axle back on. See that? Oh, yeah. And we're
Only
done.
Left side fork I've seen.
We're
from
ready to
Bob.
ride.